Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Excel 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert symbols and special characters onto your workbooks. So let's get started. So you'll see here that I have a registered mark after the company name, and on the company name, which is quality group, on quality group, the E on this one is actually missing the acute mark. So to add in marks for Greek and Latin words and languages, you're going to need to know how to do that. And so that's going to be using the symbol character, as our keyboards do not have those symbols built into them. And so let's go ahead and double click within this cell, and you'll see that I need to put this acute mark over the E. The way that we do that is I'm going to press the backspace button, and I'm going to go to the Insert tab. On the Insert tab, you'll see that all of the buttons are currently inactive, except on the far right side, we have the symbols group and the symbol button. And if I click on symbol, it's going to add symbols that are not on your keyboard. So if you don't see something on your keyboard, it's probably in here. Now, Microsoft Office has a variety of different symbols to choose from, and as you can see, there's literally hundreds upon hundreds of them to go through. You'll see that as you move through, the font is displayed in the top left as well as the subset. You'll see things like Greek, Arabic, Hebrew, all kinds of different subsets that you can choose from on this drop-down list. You'll also notice that as you click on different ones, it gives you a Unicode name down here in the bottom left, as well as the character code. Alright, so on this one here, I'm going to go ahead and scroll up to the top on this list, and I'll see some of the more basic Latin subset symbols. And as I scroll down on this list, you will see eventually I will get to some capital letters as well as some lowercase letters. I'm looking for this one right here. Alright, and it says small Latin letter E with a Q. And I see the character code 00E9. And so no matter what, if you remember that character code, it'll automatically jump you to this page right here. And if I go over here and move this, you'll see it currently says quality group, but if I insert this, you'll see it inserts it in directly where my cursor was on the page. There we go. So now I'm going to click on close, and you'll see that that was inserted without a problem. Now notice that I have a registered symbol after the word group, but I don't have it down here. I'm going to show you how to add that in down here. And so I'll double click right after the P in group. And so on this one, I'm going to insert in the registered symbol. The way that we do that is exactly the same. We go to the Insert tab, Symbols group, and you go to Symbol right here, and you click on Symbol. Only this time, the Symbols tab is active. I'm going to make the special characters the special characters appear below by clicking on that tab. This is where you would insert in an M dash, a registered symbol, trademark, copyright, all of those different things, paragraph symbol. They have them all listed here. The way that you do it is you click on the symbol that you want, and then you click Insert. You only need to click it once, and it will pop up right there. Now that the registered symbol is there, all we have to do is click on Close. Now I'm going to finally show you how to insert in a actual symbol. And so if I click right before quality group, I can go up here to the Insert tab, Symbols group, and I'll go to Symbol. And if I have a certain font that I want to choose from, I could look through this font list. But as you know, if you've used Microsoft Office before, they have a ton of fonts to choose from. So if you actually know the name of the font, I'm going to use Wingdings in this one. I could actually just type that in and hit this little arrow, and it'll take me down to Wingdings. Alright, now on the Wingdings list, I could see a bunch of different symbols here, and you could look through them and find a symbol that you like. I'll choose this one right here, which is code 118, and I click Insert, and you'll see the symbol will appear just before quality group. And then I can click Close. Alright, so that's how you insert in special characters as well as symbols, and also different Latin and Greek languages have different keyboarding symbols as well, and that's how you insert in those special characters. So hopefully this video has taught you more about how font and characters work within Microsoft Excel. If this video has been helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.